Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 9. Here we are going to discuss about expressions and operators in JavaScript. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notifications. If you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Let's get started. What is an expression? Expression is a valid unit of code that resolves to a value. There are two types of expression. Those have side effects such as assigning value and those have purity evaluate. Operator act on operand like 2 equal to 2 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So this 2 is operand and this plus is operator. But next equal to is assignment operator and the plus is arithmetic operator. Let's discuss each operator of assignment operator, comparison operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator, or ternary operator. Let's discuss each and every operator one by one. So if you are following my previous session, which I strongly recommend you do, I'm working on these JavaScript sessions. I already completed 8 sessions. So today I'm going to create one more session at session 9. So .html. I'm going to copy all the data from my previous session and I will remove the okay I will remove the script part. These are my script section. I'll remove this. Okay, after completing this session I will upload this file to my Google Drive, and actually I will upload this to its complete folder and I will give complete folder link in the video description. You can also download and check it out. So operator, the first one is we are going to discuss about assignment operator. So assignment operator, I can declare var a equal to 20. So this equal to is a assignment operator. So now I can write alert a to display this one. Go save it, start debugging, run Chrome. So you can see 20. One more assignment means assignment operator is a plus equal to 10. Now what is the result? You can see 30. So what it did, 20 plus 10, 30. I can do like this, a minus equal to 30 means it will deduct from the value of last value from minus 30. Save it, go to browser, express 0. So this is called our assignment operator. Okay, next guys, I'm commenting this one so I can use same file for we can use comparison operator. Okay, and I will directly declare var a equal to 10, var b equal to 20. If this is comparison operator, now a equal to b, then here I can directly alert both are equal, right? So this is comparison operator. Now save the file, go to browser, run. I did wrong, right? Okay, it's not true, so it is not doing anything. So I'm keeping one more if, which is also a comparison operator, not equal to. Both are not equal. Now save it, go to browser, refresh, both are not equal. If I change the value now A to same 2020, so go to browser, refresh, both are equal. So these are comparison operator. So comparison operator we have also like, I can also we have greater than equal to, less than equal to, equal to means equal to, we have not equal to. Okay, these are comparison operator. Now comment this line of code. Next move to next operator, which is our arithmetic operator. Okay, this is I already saw in my previous sessions. If you don't miss already, I'm going to please check it out. I'm going to give the link on video description. So arithmetic operator is where a equal to 10, where b equal to 20, where c equal to a plus b. So this plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are the arithmetic operator. I can directly print here C, right? So in case of arithmetic operator, we have plus, minus, division, multiplication, and we have also percentile. Okay, these are arithmetic. Now you can see 1 plus b 30, a plus b 30. So I can go a minus b, save it, go to browser, refresh it, minus 10. This is arithmetic operator. So now comment it and next move to one more operator, which is logical operator, and or not. I definitely sure that you guys are heard about and or not. So not already we declares like this. If not equal to, you understand. Let's see and or. Okay. So and or not, right? So declare var a equal to 10, var b equal to 20, var c equal to 20. Now if a equal to b, and this is where we are using and operator, b equal to c, it will be a lot, same as Pythagoras rule. It will be a equal to b and b equal to c, then a equal to c. Right here I am using and operator. Copy, or else if a equal to c or a equal to b, then I'm just so here I used or operator. Let's move, refresh. Nothing is happening because no condition is satisfying. Neither a equal to c, neither a equal to b. So if I change this one, so here either or condition is satisfying, so it will be moved to, let's say here I'm just declaring as a to report me, alert me as a. Now go to, now you can see if I change the value of a refresh it. A equal to C means this one. So in this way we can implement logical operator. Let's comment this one and move to next operator, which is ternary operator or conditional operator. So how we can do this one, this ternary operator? It is question mark. How? I will be doing the same thing, complete same declaration on comment. Okay, so we can check the condition, next the expression. So let's move to our code. We can do like this. A greater than B, then here it will come true or it will come false. If A is greater than B, then the C will be true, or then C will be false. This will be act like a if else if. So let's see, let's uh, print the or alert the C this one. Now neither A is greater than true, neither so it will become as false. So now refresh the page, you can see false. So C A is greater than true. Let's modify the value to 30, save it. So you can see now it is coming true. So this is the way we can implement ternary operator in our JavaScript. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like, share your comment and suggestion in the comment box. Thank you very much.